Hi, this is Surendra Tota. Today I am here to give a presentation on the topic virtual private network, which is one of the most used emerging technology. After the completion of the presentation, every one of us present here will know about the virtual private network and its features. Yep, virtual private network. Virtual private network that can be created for tunneling between two different networks, two local networks connected using the internet. Implementing a virtual network can be increase the security of the network, as the data flowing through the VPN channel cannot be accessed by anyone from the outside the network. This can be explained through the architecture of the VPN network. The diagram is an architecture of the VPN. The internet and the WLANs are considered as the external networks to which a mobile VPN device can roam. When the mobile VPN node is in external networks, it needs to access the internal using the IPsec. IPsec VPN gateway is used as the IPsec VPN termination point for the mobile VPN node. It is also provisioned with the Easy VPN service. A Cisco VPN 3000 series series is used, or a Cisco iOS software based VPN router can be exemplify a VPN gateway. And the BR also provides the network address. BR is NAT based, because of the NAT function for the traffic using IP address to access the internet. For example, when the VPN route is in the range of the private IP address, traffic from the VPN is used the internet would be NATed by the BR. Here we go. When it comes to the problem domain, after understanding about the VPN and its features, now everyone can clearly understand the problems of the project. Like here, when in my project, the Fashion Hub has been successfully delivering the products from various regions across the country, from one place to another place. Like we use the payment should be the transaction should be processed electronically, including the payment and the processing. Security issues over the internet, as we are using the internet, like payment should be processed through the internet, so there will be also the security issues. VPN solution is to provide the secure environment. Here we use the VPN network by using the tunneling protocol, so that we send all the communication between the two different computers of the network is carried through the VPN tunnel, so the security issue will be cleared and everyone who is accessing or communicating will have their financial transactions are secure than any other things. Here, the issues with the VPN. Network administrator should definitely know the network security while implementing the VPN. Security is the main concern for every network. It is very important that proper planning and precaution is taken before implementing any network. Any network administrator here must use the data encryption techniques in keeping the data safely before like network administration. The data should be keep the transferring and secured. Performance is also be a problem. Because when it comes to the cloud-based VPN, it is difficult to take control of the performance. When also VPN connection rejected, the most common issue with the VPN is rejection of VPN client connection. There are several reasons for VPN client rejections. If this problem is encountered while establishing a connection with client server, the first thing which needs to do is check whether routing and the remote access service is running or not. This can be done through administrative tools in control panel, where network administrator can check and required services for virtual private network. And when it comes to tunneling, problem with establishing a tunneling. Establish a tunnel between the client and the server is not an issue with the VPN. The tunnels are the one which is responsible for transferring the data between the client and the server in the secured and encrypted manner. There are two reasons which are responsible for the problem. Routers involved in the performing IP packet filtering. Another reason for the problem is proxy server. Proxy server which is installed between the VPN server and the client. Next, coming to the issues with the VPN security, complexity issue, and unauthorized connection. Here comes the security issue, like compatibility issue. When it comes to the compatibility, there should be like every client server having got the perfect compatibility to communicate with the other computer or the other client on the other side. Unauthorized connection, there might be the other computers which is outside the LAN network, so they might have the possibility to get into the connector, to get connected with our VPN net if we don't have the VPN network, there might be a chance that other computers which are outside the VPN can connect to the network. Security can be increased by implementing it uses the encryption techniques for password for the data transfer. VPN provides the remote access to the users to access the organization network. The benefit of remote access also brings the security concern as well, as user will try to connect with the organization network. And when it comes to the complexity of network topologies, like service providers, we get the topologies from the different network equipments and protocols to establish VPN tunnels. It's very difficult to understand the network model and use of different service data providers. Okay, and proposed solution for all these problems. The solution which we proposed, we have taken like scenario. In this scenario, we take 3 subnets as education, entertainment, and research department. Entertainment, we have 6 workstations which will support voice application, and 4 workstations will support the video application. When it comes to the education department, we have 5 workstations with video application support, 2 with data application, and 3 with workstation with voice support. Research department, we have 5 workstations with the research department like data applications, and 5 workstations with voice application support. Results, after we proposing all the solutions, our results will be that all those tests will proves that in firewall VPN scenario, packet delay is high as it makes the voice and video traffic more secure. Communication for organization is really very important, and VPN helps in secure transfer for data. VPN uses various protocols like IPsec and PPTP, as I mentioned earlier, which are more secure than other and must be used by the organizations for secure communication. Thank you for watching my video regarding to the presentation. Hope you all understood. Thank you very much.